How to use customer service job assessment tests to hire better agents. Customer service agents can have the single biggest impact on your business success or failure because they are often the first and sometimes the only contact with your customers. This means customer service and call center agents must have the proper skills to provide a positive experience. Otherwise, negative customer experiences could jeopardize your company's reputation, customer retention, and overall revenue. These research studies show the powerful negative impact of unsatisfactory customer experiences on business. A Gartner survey predicted that 89% of businesses are expected to compete primarily on customer experience. It's 6 to 7 times more expensive to attract a new customer than to retain one. Nearly 70% of American Express customers believe that the key to great customer service is a polite representative. Forbes reports that poor customer service is costing businesses more than $75 billion a year. In this customer-centric world, it is good to know that you can use talent acquisition strategies like eSkills customer service assessment tests to make the best hiring decisions. By making it a priority to pre-screen and evaluate the skills and abilities of every customer service or call center agent before hiring them, you will ensure better customer experiences and avoid negative impacts on your business reputation. Download the executive report on this page to see a full range of customer service skills tests available at eskill.com. The eSkill Talent Assessment Platform integrates with most existing ATS or HRIS platforms. Also, your dedicated assessment expert will help you set up the platform and customize it to fit your hiring process so you can reduce time to hire and improve your hiring success. Many eSkill clients have reduced hiring costs by 70% and time to hire by 60% by using eSkill's pre-employment tests in all phases of their selection process. Learn more. eskill.com. Request a demo.